y'all, so you really can't see. Hopefully I get a better angle, but in case I don't, I made it to the EagleBank arena. Okay, I made it. So me and Shaker are parked, and then there's another truck coming in the way. I was supposed to, but all right, in my defense, I was looking for Pearl River Road. There was no sign that said Pearl River Road, and I didn't know I was supposed to make the first immediate right. So, but this has been a cool process. And talking to Eli, he's super cool. We'll get something to eat potentially today, but I need to thaw out because I was out there running my mouth with him and the coordinator. Y'all, when I lived in Korea, it snowed. So I'm used to the snow somewhat, but it's been like 5 years. I don't ever remember the snow being hard like that. All right, so in the previous video, y'all saw that I brought a trailer full of lights up here to the arena at George Mason University. So,
You helped me out yesterday, y'all.
Hey, babe.
I didn't watch it being installed, but I did get to see them uninstall everything. And with me having a production background, it was cool to see how the lights were being used in practice. I did kind of peek my eye in at the little show. I did some research to find out what it was, and there really wasn't anything online, but it was a private event, and it was not a protest, but yeah, it was a private event, and they like really went all out. So it was cool to see it being used in real life, I guess. And it kind of made me miss my production roots just a little bit. And them people here loading up those lights, that was watching it come down was scary, but even watching them load it was scary too. Using that short, thin, steep ramp. All right, so I have been loaded again and getting ready to head right back to where I got this load from. So let's go see how this goes. Oh, and let me also say this load is due on the 27th. Today which is Monday. It's a Friday, and I think it's what? How many miles? That is not my 846 miles, so it's 13 hours and 26 minutes. So let's get this money. South Carolina. I just want to say this, roads are completely clear. I mean, it is a stark contrast from a couple of days ago. So, yeah. Happy Monday. I don't know if I told y'all, but I went home for the weekend and did a reset. I still have this load that I got from the arena, the same load. It's in the bed. Yeah. Got that load. Yeah, that just happened. I saw his airbag out. He was taking pictures and texting and stuff. But it looks like everybody's okay. At least I'm pretty down. But yeah, so this is the load I got from Orlando. Took it to Fairfax, Virginia, to the EagleBank Arena, and did their little show. And now I'm bringing it back to Orlando. But I went home to Coco near the 34 because I could. And because I'm assuming I'll be local this week, I have a dentist appointment Friday, so I need to be back by Thursday. So I'll probably hit y'all up once I arrive back to the receiver.